Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my LifeDesigns review. Here we're going to be taking a close look at the LifeDesigns software, and also, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with LifeDesigns. This goes live on the 28th of March by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. You'll find the link to this bonus page in the description of this video. So in a nutshell, LifeDesigns is a cloud-based design software. Now this allows you to create professional graphics designs, for different projects, probably for videos, for your website, for blogs, for your landing pages, or even if you are offering design services on marketplaces like Fiverr. LifeDesigns allows you to easily create these stunning professional graphic designs, even if you have zero experience with with design creation. Now, this is an advanced design tool, meaning it comes with a ton of features to make designing easy, but you don't have to be a professional to be able to use LifeDesigns. So I'm going to let you see how this works in a short while. Also, there's a full demo of LifeDesigns right here on this bonus page. I'm going to go through my custom bonuses, and then we'll also discuss a little more about LifeDesigns. So bonus number one, you're going to be getting access to cut out transparent background images. Now these images allow you to create some professional designs, meaning these images do not have a background. Therefore, you can actually place them on any background. Like, imagine this lady now removed from this background and actually placed in an office, or an entirely different background. This actually makes it easy for you to create different scenarios, different graphics for different purposes with the bundle of cutout transparent background images you are going to be getting in this bonus number one. Bonus number two, you're going to be getting access to a traffic software. This software allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Facebook in any niche. Not only that, it allows you to put the whole process on automation. You get access to Page Builder that makes the whole process a lot easy for you. Bonus number three, you're going to be getting access to a video traffic software. Now this allows you to drive traffic using other people's viral videos. Now this does not require video creation at all. You're going to be able to drive traffic in any niche. All you need to do is log into this cloud-based software, and then you can search for videos based on keywords, and then you can actually pick whichever one of these viral videos you want to use, and then you can place your affiliate links on top of these videos. Like, you can upload images. These images are going to show up on the playback of these viral videos. When people see the playback, they see your images show up to them, and when they click on these images, it's going to take them to your affiliate link. You can create clickable call to actions. You can even add opt-in forms on top of these viral videos to build your list while driving traffic to any link. Also, bonus number four, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based software that allows you to create stunning squeeze pages. Now this pages allows you to capture your leads while redirecting them to affiliate links. Now this allows you to build your list, and you're going to be getting access to a ton of templates, which you can just easily create a ton of campaigns just by switching the templates, and then you can actually pick whichever one you want. You are getting access to the upgrade that allows you to create unlimited campaigns. You are also getting access to training that shows you how to go from $0 online to a few thousands monthly with affiliate marketing while building your email list. Also, bonus number five, you're going to be getting access to 4,000 plus images and codes that are ready to go that you can use in any project, be it your website, be it your gig, be it your services you are offering. Basically, in any project, these are ready-made content, ready-made resources you can use, to get people's attention and ultimately to drive traffic. Bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to Doodle video creator software that allows you to create these Doodle videos. You've probably seen these videos on YouTube. These videos get people's attention each and every time. You are going to be getting access to software that allows you to create these videos to get people's attention and to ultimately drive traffic. Also, bonus number 7, you're going to be getting access to done for you PowerPoint video templates that are customizable, but you don't need any special software to customize them. You only need to load them up in PowerPoint. You can customize these, then hit the export button to create MP4 videos you can use on any video platform. Also, bonus number 8, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses. Now, to claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page, and it's going to take you to the sales page of LifeDesigns, where you're going to be able to pick up LifeDesigns and where you're going to be getting full information also. So here it says time to cancel expensive monthly subscriptions for design platforms like Canva, like Adobe Photoshop, like Adobe Spark, or freelancers etc. forever. The most advanced graphic design suite to create stunning graphics and designs for any website, blog, landing page, etc. with just the push of a button. Millions of business owners like you have used LifeDesigns for creating business logos, mockups, websites, landing pages, product bundles, ebook covers, social media banners, flyers, graphic ads, and so on. So come check out this sales page in your own time to get full information about LifeDesigns. There's a ton of cool graphics you are going to see here. Different types of graphics you can create with LifeDesigns without you having to pay monthly subscriptions. So let's talk about the pricing for LifeDesigns. Software goes for a one-time fee of $19. You might get the option on the sales page to pick it up for $14 only, and then you get access to all the features, millions of searchable royalty-free assets with no copyright issues. This makes a lot of sense. Also, the first optional upgrade is the LifeDesigns Unlimited that goes for $47. This is all with unlimited features, unlimited reseller license, remove all restrictions, remove watermarks, more HD templates, extra searchable stock platform, GIFs, vectors, and videos. OTO number 2 is LifeDesigns hosting. You can host unlimited graphics and videos securely. You get access to 30 gigabytes of storage, ultra fast bandwidth. You get access to different features here. The next one is OTO number 3, LifeDesigns Marketplace, that goes for $37. And then you get gig and bid based marketplace. You get one click freelance and local marketplace builder. That's OTO number 3. OTO number 4 is LifeDesigns Agency, that goes for $67, and this allows you to add unlimited users, gives you your own admin dashboard. The final upgrade is White Label, that goes for $197, and this allows you to rebrand the old software, add your own branding, your logo, and your product name, and then you can actually sell as your own product. So that's my review of LifeDesigns. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Right now, stay tuned for the full demo of LifeDesigns.